In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts into Activecampaign. This is an essential step for anyone managing email lists, automations, or marketing campaigns. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your contact data into the platform quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First, head over to the Activecampaign website. You can type it into your browser or use a saved link if you already have one. Once you arrive on the homepage, look toward the upper right corner and click the Login button. You'll be taken to the login page where you'll need to enter your account name. Make sure you type this accurately as it determines which account Activecampaign connects you to. After entering your account name, click Login. If everything matches correctly, you'll be redirected straight to your Activecampaign dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, importing contacts is very simple. Look at the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This takes you to a page where you can view your existing contacts and manage all your list-related tasks. On the Contacts page, you'll see an option labeled Import. This is exactly what you need, so go ahead and select it. This begins the process of bringing new contacts into your account. Next, you'll choose the import method. For this tutorial, click on Import from File. This allows you to upload a CSV or Excel file containing your contact details before uploading. Double check that your file is formatted properly. Make sure your columns are labeled clearly with names, emails, phone numbers, or any other details you plan to use. A clean file will save you time and prevent upload errors. After selecting your file, Activecampaign will guide you through the field mapping process. This step ensures that the information in your file matches the correct fields inside Activecampaign. For example, the column with email addresses should map to the email field, name columns should map to the name fields, and so on. Take a moment to confirm that everything lines up correctly before moving forward. Once everything is mapped, complete the import and Activecampaign will process your file. In just a few moments, your contacts will be added to your database and ready to use in campaigns, tags, automations, or segments. And that's all it takes. You've successfully imported your contacts into Activecampaign, giving you a solid foundation for your marketing and communication efforts. The more familiar you become with these basic steps, the easier it becomes to manage and grow your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the contact import process with ease. If you need extra support, feel free to check the helpful resources linked in the description.